Bushwalking is an Australian activity. You may know it by different names such as hiking, hill walking, or trekking. Bushwalking covers a wide spectrum of walking experiences in natural or green areas. Wide range is a series of many things. When something is worth doing, it means that it is interesting or useful. Entertainment scene is a place or event where you can entertain yourself. Artificial is something produced by man imitating a natural product. Harbour is a body of water having docks or port facilities. To host means to provide the space and other things necessary for a special event. Bay is a body of water partially enclosed by land, but with a wide mouth affording access to the sea.